Hi, I'm Annie with ByAnnie.com and Patterns by Annie. I'm excited to tell you about our pattern Pocket Packers, which includes instructions for handy organizers with zippered mesh and vinyl pockets in 4 styles. They're not only useful, but they are also quick and easy to make. Pocket Packers measure 18.5 inches high by 13.5 inches wide, and each style features a full-size zippered mesh pocket on the back. We love using mesh for this pocket as it adds no bulk yet allows visibility of contents and a bit of stretchiness. On the front are zippered vinyl pockets in a variety of sizes depending on the style that you choose to make. The vinyl protects the pocket's contents and provides great visibility. You'll be able to see at a glance where everything is. Style 1 has 1 pocket. Style 2 has 2 same-sized pockets. Style 3 has 3 pockets of varying sizes, and Style 4 has 4 pockets in a variety of sizes. Any of the pockets can be divided into more than one section, as we did on the bottom pocket on this Style 3 bag. A reinforced handle attached to the top of each bag can be customized for carrying by hand or hanging on a hook, or for carrying over the shoulder. Designed to be made with small amounts of fabric, Pocket Packers are perfect for using the newest fabrics from your favorite designer or a collection of pieces from your stash. ByAnnie's Soft and Stable, the original sew-in foam stabilizer, is used to stabilize the fabrics, ensuring that the bags will be sturdy and hold their shape, and making construction and assembly extra easy. Pocket Packers are perfect for organizing and carrying clothing and personal items in a suitcase, or for providing easy access to any variety of tools and supplies in class. I use a set of these to hold all my step-outs when I demo at classes. It's wonderful to have one pocket packer for all my handle-making supplies, another for all my zipper materials, and so forth. You're sure to find lots of ways to use pocket packers too. For instance, you could use them to organize your bag-making supplies, putting all your tools and smaller items like hardware and fold-over elastic in the front pockets, and storing zippers and packages of mesh in the back. Quick and easy to make, pocket packers also make great gifts that any recipient will find useful. As with all of ByAnnie's patterns, Pocket Packers includes lots of helpful illustrations and bulleted checkboxes by each step. You'll love how these little boxes help you keep track of where you are in the process. We've also filmed an add-on video to help you with the project. This video series will guide you with these steps: understanding the differences between the 4 styles, preparing fabrics and zippers, preparing the back and front pockets, and attaching the pockets to the bag. If you need help getting access to the add-on video, please go to our website. You'll find helpful tips there. The clear and complete pattern instructions combined with the add-on video make this a pattern that can be accomplished by all levels of makers. It's a perfect project for beginning sewists, but more advanced makers will also enjoy learning some tricks as they assemble the bags. Makers will need skills for careful marking and cutting and for sewing accurate seams. Some experience with my patterns and terminology is always helpful too. The project is very straightforward, and if you need help, the add-on video and other video tutorials at ByAnnie.com are there to help you. We have had such a good time making and using these zippered bags. They're quick and easy and perfect for using up small amounts of fabric in Soft and Stable. I know that you'll enjoy making your own pocket packers too, and that you'll find lots of uses for these fun and functional bags. Check out our Pocket Packers A Closer Look video for additional info about gathering supplies. We always love to see what you make, so be sure to share pictures of your finished projects with us. Find us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube by using @PatternsByAnnie. And if you liked this video, please click on the like button below to give us some feedback. Remember to hit the subscribe button too, so you're sure to know when we post new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Happy stitching!